How to replace the pH electrode in the pneumatic retractable electrode housing. The cylinder has a water inlet, water outlet, one air port for extension, and another for retraction. The water inlet and outlet ports are used for cleaning the electrode. The air port is used to extend and retract the piston rod. The flange must be installed vertically, with the cylinder's water outlet facing upward and tilted. When replacing the electrode, first retract the piston rod to the cleaning position. Unscrew the extension rod and pull it out slowly and horizontally. Be careful not to hit the electrode with excessive movement. After pulling it out, separate the electrode housing from the extension rod. Remove the entire electrode housing and unscrew the electrode again. Reinstall the new electrode in the same method as above. Remove the electrode housing and insert the electrode thread into the housing thread, tightening along the threads. Then insert the threaded end of the electrode housing into the extension rod, tightening along the threads. Insert the extension rod into the cylinder with a slow, horizontal rotation. Be careful not to hit the electrode with excessive movement. Insert it all the way to the bottom. Finally, tighten the screws on the extension rod. The pH electrode replacement is complete.